Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with My Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. Today I'm going to make some amazing peanut butter cookies. They're gluten-free and I wanted to bring you along with me. So let's get that done. Let's go over those ingredients. I got a half a cup of sifted almond flour. I got a half a cup of peanut butter. 1/3 of a cup of coconut sugar. 1 egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Let's get that stirred together. I am going to mix the almond flour, the coconut sugar, and the baking soda together. And to that, I am going to add the peanut butter, the egg, and the vanilla. And stir that up till it's well combined. I'm going to let this rest for 10 minutes so that way that almond flour can absorb those liquids. I totally forgot that this recipe was when we used to live at sea level. So I am going to add another 1/3 cup of almond flour. Make sure you sift it so it blends right in. We live at 6,000 feet now. And if you are in higher elevation, make sure you just add a little bit more of your flour. Makes a huge difference. I want a stiff dough that I can touch and it won't be sticky. Now we're going to wait 5 minutes and let it rest. This dough is absolutely perfect now. It's not sticky and it doesn't stick to my scoop. And now we are going to use a small ice cream scoop and scoop up these cookies. This is a little bit more than a tablespoon. Now just dip your fork in water and we're going to put the crisscross marks on. I'm going to go one way. And then spin your tray around and go in the other direction. Dip your fork as needed. You're going to bake these for 13 minutes. I am going to pull these out about a minute early. They are starting to brown up nicely. They look perfect. After I let them rest about 5 minutes, I remove them and then put them on a cooling rack and cool completely before eating. Here are these cooled off cookies. I wanted to show you. They are very soft. These are the best peanut butter cookies. They are amazing. Really soft, huge, big peanut butter flavor, and I use the peanut butter with the chunks in it, chunky peanut butter, and wow. You guys really have to try these cookies out. Absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching, and as always, may God bless you.